Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Intel stock, ticker symbol INTC, on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right beside the notification icon and press on the search icon. Once that is done, type in ticker symbol INTC at the top. At the top here it says Intel, press on that. Then go to the bottom left and press on trade and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can go ahead and press on buy. You can change the session, the order type, the price if it's a limit order, as well as the quantity. Once that is all done, you can go to the bottom and press on buy and then proceed that way with the stock purchase. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Intel stock, ticker symbol INTC on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.